The manual toothbrush you are using is 5,000-year-old technology. It was first used in the 36th century BC, before some other useful technologies, like writing and law, and remains essentially unchanged through time. Your manual toothbrush is still just a stick with some bristles on the end of it. Meanwhile, you've adopted technology at an exponential rate, improving your life through efficiency, speed, and power, and surrounding yourself with every adornment of science and innovation, except when it comes to your teeth. It's time for you to leap this technology gap and end the manual brushing era. Welcome to the new level of clean. Philips Sonicare delivers more brushstrokes in 2 minutes than a manual can do in 1 month, and up to 5 times the plaque removal. Stick with technology. Philips Sonicare.